you, all of my mom's gems, clicked on this video. What am I doing again? If you clicked on this video, this is a head scratching moment right now. Still a head scratching moment.
Closest to me, Mercury, the smallest planet, small as Earth's moon. I get super hot and cold, and it's been.
If you're new to the Gem Gang, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. Yeah, we're coming home to every boy and girl. Boy and girl.
Hey Gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you a box that I got from Influenster. If there are any of you that don't know what Influenster is, it is a free app that you can download on Android or iPhone. What you do is you basically review products that you use or that you have used, and eventually you could possibly be a candidate to receive boxes of full-size products in the mail. I've talked about this plenty of times on my social media as far as my Snap and my Instagram. If you don't believe me, I don't have one of the products. I did receive old Heineken's Bright Eye Cream. My girlfriend definitely got a Vox box in the mail, which she did do a video on, which is the very first video on my channel, where she got the Milk Makeup, what is this, the Luminous Blur Stick. She did a video on this. If you would like to see that, make sure you go check this out. The latest box that she received was, listen y'all, she received Lermer, as Alyssa Ashley would say. Like, this foundation is not cheap, for one. Not only that, she got a full-size bottle. She also received, is this it? Yes, she received this translucent loose setting powder. She also received, okay, so she also received this, which is the Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Concealer, which I will swatch for you guys. It's really creamy. I think she likes it. I mean, how could you not like Lermer? If you don't know who that is, it's Laura Mercier. And I received a box. It had this Pantene conditioner in it, which this one is just a travel size. But I did receive a Venus razor, and it also came with some samples of the Olay whips. As you could tell, I used it. I had like 4 of these. I love this stuff. If it wasn't $20 freaking, I'd buy it. See the way my life is set up, I'm broke. No, I'm just kidding. But no. So far I've only received a couple of boxes. Now this next box that I receive, it will be going to my son, just because it is 2 women and a growing man in the house, or young boy should I say. And I received the Dove Men in Care. This is the box that it came in, like this, and it tells you what comes in it. The first one that I am going to show you guys is the Body and Face Wash Conditioner. These products smell so good. Like, oh my goodness, that smells so good. We also got the spray, which, oh my god, These smell amazing. And then we got the body, what is this? The body and face soap bar. Y'all, I'm gonna be following my son around, smelling his hair, talking about, he's gonna be like, Mom, you're sniffing me. Said these are full products. I did not have to pay for this. This was just delivered to my front door. I didn't have to pay shipping. This is sponsored by Influencer. Like I said, all I do is review products on screen. Like, I could take a product right now and I can review it. Let's see if Main Choice will be on there. This is the Deep Strengthening and Restoration Mask Treatment. I definitely used this on my hair and it left my hair feeling bomb. If you would like for me to do a review on this, just, you know, let me know down in the comment section. I am going to pull up the scan option and I am going to scan the barcode. I got a low battery. And that's not the product, but even though that's not the product, I can add a picture, write my review, or even ask a question about this product. There are other people's reviews, and then there's photos that people added, and questions, and then also products that Main Choice have, and that's basically all you do. Like, that's all I do. Like, the curls, like I said, I'm just going to scan the barcode and it pulls it up. No debit cards or anything like that, and all you're doing is reviewing products, and then you get a box of full-size products in the mail. I mean, who doesn't like free stuff? I mean, you guys, I mean, think about it. You get Ipsy subscription, right? I know some of you probably get the Ipsy subscription, and I don't have a bag that's as small, but you get a bag probably about this big. Well, not this big, but you get a bag probably about this big, and then you might get like some of these and maybe a brush in there, or you might get like a smaller lotion in there, and you're paying $10 for it. $10 for this and a bag this big. Come on now. I got a full-sized kit for free. For free. I got all this stuff for free. Reviewing products. I will link my code down in the description box so that you can go ahead and sign up. All you have to do is you can link your social media. The bigger your impact score, the bigger your chances are to get Vox boxes. So make sure that you review. You don't even have to scan products. You could be out in public, type in a product that you've used or that you use, and write a review on it, and eventually you'll start getting emails that says you're a potential candidate for a Vox box, and it's all based off of the products that you used. So you have to review products in order to be in the running to receive Vox boxes. Let's say like you are a beauty guru, or for those of those people who are weed friendly, like you get the munchies. So I mean, why not review the snacks that you've eaten high, and then you know you might get a box in the mail with some food in it. You know, you never know. So I will definitely link my code down in the description box, and I really hope that you guys sign up and start getting your Vox boxes in the mail, because I mean, I get excited when I get emails. Like, I received this box, and 2 days later, I received an email for another box. Hey, so if you would like to get a box, make sure you go ahead and sign up. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you guys taking the time out. If you have any suggestions on if you videos that you would like to see, or if you would like for me to review some products, make sure you drop a comment down in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye, gems.
The biggest point I'm gonna start getting to. Spin the fastest,
Plus I'm handsome. Blam, son. Oh, please, I'm Saturn. Check out my beautiful rings. Made up of billions of rocks, dust, and other things.
I'm Uranus. I say that with pride. Okay, I lied. I'm embarrassed because I'm the only planet lying on its side.
Alright, Gems, that's the end of this video. Thanks for subscribing, and we will see you on the next video. Bye, Gems.